Hey there, and welcome back. Sausages, beer, the world's most prestigious cars. We all know Germany is famous for manufacturing these. But what you might not be aware of is Supatac vinyl is also made in Germany. So why Germany, you might ask? It's simple. Germany is a country that is known as the benchmark for superior quality. Supatac Polymeric high-performance digital print vinyl has earned the same reputation, and rightly so. It has been developed maintaining the highest German standards, with superior production values and components combined to provide exceptional print results, stay flat properties, and easy handling and installation while delivering lasting performance. It's ideal for high-end requirements where superior quality and performance are paramount, and the bonus, Supatac comes at a realistic price point. Supatac has some unique options within the range, such as the micro-channel air release adhesive, meaning you get a smooth base on the outside of your vinyl after application. A range of over-laminates including gloss, matte and satin, and the advantage of each product being designed to be printed with the popular HB latex printers. So if you want premium quality products that provide exceptional results and dependable durability, give our technical team a call today for a helpful walkthrough of the Supatac range.